Shaunus here, welcome back. In this video we're gonna create our Facebook page because we need a Facebook page to run Facebook ads. Alright, so let's get started. So creating a Facebook page is really simple and it's not that complicated, but again, as I said, as I promised, I'm gonna show you everything there is to know about it. So I'm just gonna do it with you step by step. Make sure that you do it with me too. Alright, so let's get it started. So let me just put this down. Alright, so in order to create a Facebook page, all you gotta do is go to your Facebook account, and from here you click on create Facebook page. Okay, so there you go. There is a option that you click on it and you go to create your Facebook page. Now in this part you need to choose what kind of Facebook page you're creating. Okay, now there's a local business or place, company, a brand or product. For our case, we're going to create a Facebook page based on a brand or product. Okay, and when you click on that, this option is going to come up. You need to choose the website. You need to choose website. Okay, so you click on website. If you press the W button, it's just going to go there, so you don't have to go through the whole thing. And you're going to call it whatever you want to call it. Now I kind of spent some time to figure out what I want to call my Facebook page. So it's gonna be called My Golf Madness. I know it sounds kind of funny, but I just want to call it something that people are going to remember. Now this is, again, there's really no rule when it comes to choosing the name for your page, so make sure to choose something that is just simple, something that people are going to remember, something that is related to your product, not your brand. For example, if you're promoting a product about weight loss, do not create a page under your own name. Create a page under that product, or for that product. For example, how to lose weight in 2 weeks, something like that. So that's the idea. So I'm just gonna copy this thing and paste it here, and I'm gonna click on get it started. Alright, let's continue. Now you're gonna be asked to enter website. I would not, because obviously we don't have a website, but something you can do is you can buy a domain and redirect your domain to your affiliate link. I wouldn't do that. It's just complicated and we don't want to go through this whole thing, but yeah, that's an option. You don't have to obviously enter it, so don't worry about that. Something you need to enter is a short description of your page. Now again, I already put the time to write something really simple. As you see, it is super simple, nothing complicated, just something that is going to tell people what is your page about. Now this is too long, so I believe I can use this description for the long description, so I'm not going to put it in here. I'm just going to cut it to this sentence. So Golf Madness is for people who live to golf. Okay, that's simple and nice. You click on save info and you go to the next one. The next one, I believe you're going to choose a profile picture. Okay, now you definitely need one because you need to complete your Facebook page. Okay, you can either choose something from internet, maybe do some Google search, find something to put in there, or you can have your own logo or something created. Now I had my logo created, so I'm just gonna go and choose it. I believe it's here. There you go. I think that's the one. Hopefully that's gonna work. Perfect. So as you see, my golf madness, I have this picture, so looks nice and clean. Click on next, and you can just skip that. This is just going to allow you to access the page easier by adding it to your left menu. Okay, so and then this is where you choose your audience. Okay, now this is really important. It's not that important, but just make sure to spend some time and choose the right audience for your Facebook page. Okay, now for some reason my internet is not loading correctly. Okay, there you go. So 18 to 65, that's the age is fine. Locations, I'd go with United States because that's where I want to do this, and also UK, Kingdom. Oh no, that's not the one. States. Kingdom, okay. Those two, let's choose Canada too. Okay, that's 3 countries I want to go with. Now age is fine, gender is fine, interest, let's put golf. Golf course. Perfect. So the language would be English. So obviously you need to choose an interest that is linear with your product, right? So I put golf course, and English, obviously. Now you click on save. That's English is your language. So if the product you're promoting is in English, obviously you want to choose that. Alright guys, so the next thing I want to do is I want to change this cover here, because that's really important, and it's really important to actually make the page look good. Okay, so it's really important to complete everything, you know, entering all of the information that you can to your page. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do to just finish off this page. So something that you can do for your cover is just go to Google and find a picture. For example, I have a really good one here. This is something I like, so I just click on it, click on view image, and I'm just gonna save it. And let's go here, add a cover, and then you click and choose from, obviously upload it. Let's go back here and upload this guy here. There you go. So just wait for it to upload, and you can obviously drag it to get the position right. I think this is perfect. And save. There you go. Perfect. Now next thing you want to do is you want to add a button. If you can, you can actually hold on. Let's see. You need to add a button that goes to your product. Okay. So we can actually click on that, book now, and then I'm just gonna copy the website address and add button. Okay, so as you see a button here that says book now. Actually I don't like that. Let's change it. Edit button. Let's go back. Let's see, get in touch with us. Actually sign up would be a better one, right? Or learn more. How about now? Learn more. There you go. I think that's the better one. So learn more is the option it is the button you want to choose. So save changes, and it goes, there you go. And something else you want to change again, sorry guys, something else you want to choose is you click on edit button again, and you need to change this. Okay, remember this was the tracking part. This is how you track your page. This is how you track your sales. So you want to change this to FB page button. So if you make a sale from this link, you know that the sale came from this specific link, right? So that's how you change it. Alright, so that is almost done. The last thing you want to do is you want to click on edit page info, and you go to description and paste your full description. And remember, I was trying to add the description, but it wasn't allowing me because it was too long. This is where you add your full description, and then you click on save changes, and that's it. Also, if you want to add more, you can click on see all info and you just add more info. Okay, let's go and see things that you can add. For example, the mission, founded, awards, products, and a bunch of other things, which really we don't need to do anything about it. Alright, so guys, make sure to get this done, and I'll see you in the next video.